Good morning, all of you. In the previous class, we are solving questions of miscellaneous exercise of chapter statics. We are solving questions from starting. Now today we will continue the same class and we will solve the next question, which is question number 5. And it says that the mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively. The mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 and 2 respectively. On rechecking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect. Then calculate the correct mean and correct standard deviation in each of the following cases if the wrong item is omitted and if it is replaced by 12. So first is wrong item is omitted. Okay, first part is wrong item is omitted. So we have to given mean, which is 2, so and standard deviation, which is also given 10, and both are wrong because mean is 10 and SD is 2, which is given me. Okay, and both are wrong because on rechecking it is found that our one number is incorrect. It was 8 was incorrect, and we have to find out what will be the mean and standard deviation if the wrong item is omitted from the observation. So mean will be what? Mean x bar will be summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi by n, because 20 numbers are there and mean is 10. So summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi divided by n is 20, because the number of observation is 20. So it will be what? Summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi will be what? 200. So this is what? Incorrect sum. This is incorrect sum, which is 200. Now, so the correct sum will be what? Correct sum will be what? When we will, our first part is wrong item is omitted. In this sum, 8 is also included, which is wrong. So we will remove 8 from this sum. So we get 192. So the correct sum is 192. Okay. Now we will find the correct mean. So the correct mean will be what? Correct sum by number of terms. When there were 20 items whose mean was 10 and sum was 200, but when the wrong item is omitted, we have omitted the 8. So the number of terms will be reduced, it will be 19. So the mean will be what? Our 0.1 and 1. So the correct mean is 10.11 and the wrong mean was we have to given 10. Okay. Now we will find the variance. So sigma I square will be what? It will be summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square minus x bar square and this is divided by n. Okay, it is the formula of variance. So when we will put the value, our sigma is 2, so we will write 2 square, and this is summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square by n is 20 and x bar is 10 square. So what we are getting from here, we are getting 104 into 20 is equal to I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square. So summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square is 0402. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So the incorrect summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square is this. So correct summation I is equal to 1, summation xi square will be what? 222080 minus. Our 8 is wrong item here, so we will reduce the 8 square. It will be 64, so it will be 6 and 8 minus 6, 7 minus 6 1, and this is, so the correct is this, and so our correct SD will be what? Summation I is equal to 1 to xi square minus x bar square by n. So the correct is this, so we will write 2016, and number of term will be reduced 1 because 8 is removing, we are removing 8 square, so we get from here 8 square, there are 20 terms, so it will be 19 minus, and the correct mean is what? Correct mean is 10.11 and 11 whole square. Now we will further solve it and find the correct. So after dividing this with 19, we get 106.105 minus, squaring of this will be 102.212 and sigma square. After subtracting this, we get 3.89. So sigma will be what? Square root of 3.89, and it will be near about 1.97 nearly. So our correct standard deviation will be what? Sigma is equal to 1.97. Okay. So in this question we have to given that there are 20 observations and the mean and standard deviation of these are given 10 and 2. Now we will find the mean. So mean will be what? Summation xi by n. So summation xi is here, and so incorrect sum will be 200. So we are seeing that one observation is incorrect, which is 8. So our first part is wrong item is omitted, so we will remove this. So incorrect sum will be what? 200 minus 8, it will be 192. So the correct mean will be 192 by 19. Okay, and divided by 19 because number of observations will be reduced 1, so it will be to come 20 to 19. So correct mean will be this. Now sigma square will be what? Summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square minus x bar whole square. Okay. Now this is same, and sigma is 2 square and mean is 10 square. So after sending right hand side we get summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square is 2080. So this is our incorrect sum. Incorrect sum is this. So the correct sum will be what? Correct will be this minus 8 square 64. So it will be 2060. So our sigma a square will be what? Summation xi square by n minus x bar whole square. Now we will put the value of this. Okay, and we get, so here we will write also I is equal to 1 to 90. Okay, so our sum will be this, and correct mean will be 10.11 square. After solving, we are getting our standard deviation is 1.97. Now we will solve this, his second part. In the second part, it says that it is replaced by 12. The second part is it is replaced by 12. Means the wrong item which is taken out, and at the place of wrong item we are substituting another number which is 12. So find their mean and variance. So our mean will be what? So the correct mean will be what? Summation is equal to 1 to n, and this is minus 8, which is we are reducing or removing and adding a new number which is 12. So there is no difference of n numbers, so it will be again 20. Sorry, here is xi square. Okay, sorry, xi only. And now we will separate these. So we can write summation I is equal to 1 to 20. It will be xi by 20 plus 4 by 20. Okay. Now this is summation I is equal to 1 to 20, and the sum of this we have already find out in first part, which is what? 200. So we will write at the place of this is what? 200 by 20 plus 1 by 5. So it will be 10.0.2. So it will be 10.2. So correct mean will be what? 10.2. Now we have to find incorrect. We have to find correct variance and SD. Okay. So we know the formula of. So our variance sigma square will be summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square by 20 minus, it will be x bar square. Okay. So this is our variance, formula of variance. Now we will find this is summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square by 20 minus this is 10 square, and this is we had to given sigma 4. So we will write 104 into 20. So summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square is what? 2080. So incorrect. Summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square is 0802. Now we will find correct summation xi square, which will be what? 2080 minus 8 square and plus 12 square. it will be what? Because we will reduce from here 8 square and add 12 square. So it will be 2080 minus 64 plus 1, 44. Now add this will be 2016 plus 144. It will be 10, 5, 6, 1, 2. Okay. So the correct sum will be what? 2160. Now correct variance will be, so correct sigma square will be what? 2160 by 20 minus correct mean is 10.2 whole square. Now we will further solve it and it will be our answer. Okay. So after dividing this, we will get, this will be cancelled, 108 minus squaring of this will be, I think, 104.04. After subtracting, we will get 3.96. So sigma square is this, so sigma will be under root 3.96. So we will get 1.99. So sigma will be what in this case of 1.99. So overall what we have done in this question, it is replaced by 12. Our wrong numbers is replaced by 12. So correct mean will be what? Summation I is equal to 1 to xi 20 minus 8 plus 20, because number of observation will be same. There are 20 numbers. So summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi by 20 plus 8 will be what? 4. And when we will separate, we will get this. And this is the sum of 20 observation. So it will be what? 200 and 200 by 20. So our correct mean will be what? Correct mean is 10.2. Okay. Now sigma square will be what? Summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square and divided by 20 minus x bar whole square. So sigma is given 2. So it will be 4 square. Summation I is equal to 1 to 20 xi square minus 10 square divided by, this is 20. So when we will send this to the right hand side, it will be 104 multiplied by this. So this is incorrect sum. Incorrect sum is 2080. Now the correct sum will be what? We will subtract from here 8 square and add what? 12 square. We get 2160. Now we will find the correct sigma square is 2160 by 20 and minus 10.2 whole square. And sigma square will be what? After subtracting this, we get 3.96 and our sigma will be 1.99. I hope you understand. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is, the mean and standard deviation of marks obtained by 50 students of a class in the 3 subjects, mathematics, physics and chemistry, are given below. So the mean, there is mean and standard deviation. Okay. So, and here is subject maths, physics and chemistry, and mean of 42 and SD is 12, mean is 32, SD is 15, chemistry is 40.9 and this is 20. So these are the information we have to given, and what we have to find out, which of the 3 subjects shows the highest variability in marks and which shows the lowest. So we will find the coefficient of variation of each subject. So we will write for maths. For maths, the CV will be sigma by x bar into 100. So sigma is 12, x bar is 1242, and this is 100. So 6, 2, 1, 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42. So it will be 200 by 7. So nearly 7 2s are 14, 6 0. 7 8 are 56, 4 0, 7 5 0. So nearly sigma will be about 28.5. Okay. And now we will find for physics. For physics, CV will be sigma by x bar into 100. So sigma is 15 by 32 into 100. So 6 4 8 25 15 5 15 2s are 30 and 37 by 8. So 8 7s are 8, 4s are 32 and 3 5. Eight 6 are 48 and 7 0 864. Now we will find for chemistry. The CV will be sigma by x bar into 100. So sigma is again 20 by 40.9 into 100. So it will be 2000 by 40.9, and when we will divide it, we will get 48.9. So we are seeing that coefficient of variation for in chemistry is maximum, so it will be more variable, and coefficient of variation of maths is less, so it will be less variable. Okay. So chemistry is highest variability, and maths have less variability. On the basis of CV we can say that. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is the mean and standard deviation of a group of 100 observation is mean is 20 and at sigma is 3. So later on it was found that 3 observations were incorrect, which were recorded as 21, 21 and 18. So find the mean and standard deviation if the incorrect mean are omitted. Okay, so here is also 3 observations are incorrect, so we have to remove this and then find the mean. So our x bar will be what? Summation xi by n. So summation xi will be x bar is 20, n is 100. So this is incorrect sum. Incorrect sum is 2000. Now correct sum will be what? 2000 minus 21, 21 and one term is 18. So when we will subtract this 2 and 8, 10, 60, so we will get 1940. Okay, so the correct mean will be what? Correct mean will be 1940 by, there are 100 observations, so 3 will be removed, so it will be 97, so it will be cancelled in 2 times, so the correct mean will be what? 20. Now we have to find out standard deviation, so sigma square, which is equal to what? Summation xi square by n minus x bar square. So sigma is 3 square and this is summation xi square by n. N is 100, x bar is 20 square, so it will be 409. So 409 into 100 will be summation xi square. So incorrect summation x square is 40900. So it will be our incorrect sum. Now correct sum will be what? Correct summation xi square will be 40900 minus 21 square minus 18 square. It will be 40900 minus 441 minus 324. Now after subtracting this, we will get our sum will be what? 39694. Our correct sum is this. Then our correct sigma square will be what? Correct sigma square will be, this is 39694 by 97 minus correct mean is minus 20 square. Okay, so the mean is same. Okay, so it will be what? When we will divide this corrected sigma square by 97, we will get what? 409.22 minus 400, so it will be 9.22 nearly. Okay, so 9.22 and its standard deviation will be what? Near about sigma will be under root 9.22, it will be 3.04 nearly. So the correct SD will be what? 3.04 and correct mean, which is 20 from here. So in this way we can find out our correct mean and correct sum. In this question we have to given that 100 observation and mean of this is 20 and our SD is 3. And we have to find out that and it says that the 3 observation 21, 21 and 18 are incorrect. So find out the correct mean and standard deviation when these 3 are omitted. So when these are omitted, so x bar will be what? Summation xi by n. So this is incorrect sum. Incorrect sum is what? Multiply by this, we are getting 2000. Okay. So the correct sum will be what? This is incorrect sum. Correct sum will be, after subtracting from 2000, we are getting 1940. So the correct mean will be what? This by, and the number of observation is 100. So when 3 is removed from here, so it will be 97. So it will be 20. So the sigma square will be what? Summation xi square by n minus x bar square. So this is 3 we have to given and this is 20. Okay, it is given also. So when we will solve and we get our incorrect sum, summation xi square is this. Okay, so the correct sum will be what? When from this you will subtract this. So our correct sum is this. So our correct sum is this. So the correct sigma square will be what? This by 97 minus correct mean. Correct mean is 20 again. So when we will subtract this from here, we are seeing that the square of this will be what? 400. And when we will subtract this 400 from this, we are getting 9.22, and this is our sigma square. This is correct variance. So correct SD will be what? Under root 9.22, and the square root of this we will get from here. Sigma is 3.04. So this is the correct mean will be over this, and correct SD will be this. So in this way we can find out our correct mean and correct standard deviation from the given observation. Okay, so in this way now today our chapter statics are completed, and I hope you understand better. And now we will see next chapter in the next class. Okay, thank you.